Hi, I'm Regina and I'm going to show you how I make fried ice cream. So I've made this recipe quite a few times. And while it is really easy to make, you do need to prepare the first steps ahead of time. This is to allow the ice cream to freeze completely before we actually fry it. I usually do this the night before so it stays overnight, but I think with 3 to 4 hours it will be ready to use. And these are the ingredients you're going to need. Several pieces of white bread, any ice cream you prefer, but I would recommend store-bought ice cream. To make this process easier, about 1 cup of pancake flour and about 2 cups of vegetable oil. For the first step, which is made ahead of time, we will need a rolling pin, the pieces of bread, and our ice cream. First, we're going to roll out the bread so we can wrap it around the ice cream. I cut a piece of bread in half to wrap 1 tablespoon of ice cream, which is 1 serving. Then I place a scoop of ice cream on the bread and start to wrap it. The way I like to wrap the ice cream is by first closing the bread over itself and then start pinching all around it, while cutting off any excess of bread if necessary. Now we place it in an airtight container and put it in the freezer overnight or at least 3 hours. While it is freezing, you can make your pancake batter. In my case, for every cup of flour, it needed an egg, 3/4 of a cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. And mix it all together with a whisk. When the ice cream is ready, pour the oil into a pot and heat it in medium heat for about 3 minutes until bubbles come up from the top. Then you can take out the ice cream, coat it with pancake batter, and fry it for about 20 seconds while turning it around with a spatula. And this is the final result. It doesn't look like a great deal, but it is one of my favorite recipes to make.